Hey friends, Mr. Fishball here. It's time for another math lesson. In fact, we're not actually going to have a lesson today. We are going to have a challenge. It is Real World Wednesday. That means the whole school, even though we're not at school, every single grade is going to stop what they're doing and go find math in their world. And Mr. Manko and Miss Krause gave us a challenge, and that challenge is to find math in your world. It can be whatever you want. In fact, when I was out for a morning walk, I found a lot of math around my house outside. Let's check it out. All right, so here's what I found. I found this really neat butterfly, and I can see some math in this butterfly. If I draw a line down the middle, I can say that the butterfly is symmetrical, friends. Symmetry means that one side of a shape is similar or exactly the same as its other side, as a reflection, as if you're looking in the mirror and you're seeing yourself. So this wing is seeing itself in a mirror, and my line of symmetry, friends. Some other math, I can talk about its patterns. I can count how many spots it has. I can compare its size to the leaves around it. So much math can be talked about with this one single butterfly that I found. And it inspired me to look for more math around my house. So here's the next thing I found, friends. I saw these rectangles on my garage door. That's math, friends, finding shapes in your world. But I noticed how they are arranged. They're arranged in 5 groups. Do you see the 5 groups, friends? We've been talking about tens and ones, haven't we? Can you tell me how many tens you see? See if you can figure it out. All right, let's check it out. Ready? I see. Give me just 1 minute, friends. I see a 10 group here, and a 10 group here. Friends, that is 2 tens of rectangles. 2 tens. Right? Let's look at another thing that I saw. Here is a window. What kind of math can you do with this window? Do you see any math? You might see a rectangle here. Right? And I see 3 rectangles all together in this row, and 3 in this row, right? And together that makes 6. I can write a number sentence. 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, and here's my house numbers. And I saw some math there. Can you figure out what kind of math I might have saw in my house numbers? I see I see a 5, a 3, and a 2. How do those go together? You might say 3 plus 2 equals 5. You might also do 5 take away 3 equals 2. Or even 5 take away 2 equals 3. Those numbers go together because 3 and 2 are number pairs that, when put together, make 5, right? And if you take one of the pairs away, you get the other pair. All right, that brings us to our math challenge that Mr. Manko challenged the whole school to do. Where do you see math in your world? Do you see patterns, shapes, fractions? We haven't been talking about fractions, friends, but how the numbers go together, or maybe do a story problem like you have done for me in the past. Go on a shape hunt and measure things with your shoe, whatever you want to send us. Send us a photo of where you see math in your world, or you can even record a little video of you explaining your math, right? Write a short paragraph. You don't have to do that much, friends. Have a family member write a couple sentences about how your photo or your video relates to math, right? And send it to us on Class Dojo, text your teacher, email us, or you can even turn your video or your photo in at kinderlions.org/math. That's kinderlions.org/math. There is a little form for you where parents can enter your first and last name, your teacher, a little description about what you're uploading, and then you have a space for a little video or a picture. Yep. And it will email it to me and I will turn it in for you, friends. That's it. All right, friends, that's all for me today. You have until June 1st to get us your Math in Your World challenge. Again, take a picture of something that looks like math to you. Record a video of you explaining the math that you see. Write out a couple sentences if you don't want to record a video, and send it to your teacher or me, and we will turn it in. And I think Mr. Manka will probably make something really cool with the stuff that we give him. So if you'd like to see yourself in a school-wide video or something, send it to us and we will get it in for you. Get out there and find that math. It's due by June 1st. Have fun, friends. I'll see you in the next video.